the way we live, the way we form our habits determines our experiences, as well as it also affect our community. And important focus is needed to prevent upcoming generation from disorders related to overuse of alcohol and substances. An event was organized online, coordinated by Rajiv Singh, organization Samheen, which raised this awareness in unique way. Padma Shri Dr. Sudhir Parikh, chairman of ITV Gold and Parikh Worldwide Media, also participated in this event. Here are some highlights.
So today is an extension to the same virtual global event, helping the community in the field, which is, in my opinion, one of the most important topic that the society, the community, the region, country, the whole globe is dealing with. And that is alcohol and substance use disorder. We are fortunate to have a very distinguished panelist from an organization called Samheen. And we'll hear more about that organization from the panelist. They are expert in this field.
Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic that is about the alcohol use and substance use disorder. So substance use disorder basically is now called, is a new DSM-5 term for the people addicted to drugs or alcohol for dependence, and that is substance use disorder. And there are many substances, they are misused, abused, people are dependent, there are up to 11 of them, most commonly used, but more out of them, they're most frequently used are 3 or 4. So we're going to focus on more on the opioid epidemic and maybe on alcohol and or marijuana that's more frequently used now. So the if we talk about that like they are like prevalence, people are about 8% of population is dependent on these substances. Like they vary from mild to severe dependence. And out of this 5%, about 8%, about 5% is just alcohol. Another substance that we are really concerned right now is cannabis, marijuana. That's becoming much more prevalent right now because of the certain states have passed laws legalizing marijuana for the medical issues or for the recreational use. And it's especially affecting the younger generations now, especially the teenagers and the young adults. And they, most of people, they think that this is a benign drug. No, this is not a benign drug. It's affect the like your development, affect your memory, mood in different ways. We're going to talk more about that. And this is that lead to use of other drugs like alcohol, opioids, and other drugs. And this is basically a gateway drug. And you will be amazed that like about 6 to 7% of high school seniors use marijuana every day. And if you're using it, just use it sometime, it like about 30% of them using at some point. So that is we're going to talk about and see how that's affecting the community and how leading to the other issues and other mental health issues and other use of other drugs. And we're also going to talk about a little bit about what we can do, how we can manage these drugs and what treatment options are available. Thank you.
It's a great initiative, and I'm being a doctor for last 45 years with having 25 practices and almost 400 employees working with me in the medical field. I see this problem almost every day, even though we are asthma, allergy, and immunology specialists, but our patients also has, unfortunately, this drug abuse, alcohol abuse, or addiction problem. And we come across so many of them, and it's very rampant. And you will be surprised that even a great school, even high school, in our community, which is supposed to be a very Ivy League high school, has the same problem with our own kids, because the parents comes to me and they always tell me that being a community leader, why you should not take an initiative in the community to stop this thing, because all those kids are kind of a star kid, I mean A grade children, but because of the peer pressure or whatever reason, because of they cannot resist other friends' pressure, they get into this kind of substance abuse, alcohol abuse. And I think both the Dr. Patel and Dr. Sandhu said very nicely, summarized the whole problem, and it's a real time problem, and we must do something about it. And on my side, on behalf of, I can assure you that Parikh Valwal Media, which has 4 weekly newspaper, we have digital newspapers, as well as we are partner with the Doordarshan India, and now we are on the Sling too. So we can help to propagate this initiative and make the people aware of this problem, and can help them to how to solve this problem. So you can always count on our TV channel called ITV Gold, as well as our all the newspaper print publications. So please, and also you can call me personally to get the help to propagate this kind of good initiative. Keep doing good initiative. I think community needs it, and it will be a great service to the community. So again, thank you for inviting me, and I really appreciate to make me a part of this great initiative. Thank you.